back to our channel. Today, my mom is going to be making this delicious, creamy, and tasty strawberry mousse. Want to know how to make it? Here we go.
Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to make strawberry mousse. The ingredients we need: strawberry around 10 to 15. I chop them into small cubes. Then 3 tablespoons sugar. You can use brown sugar, but adjust the sugar as per the tanginess of the strawberry. For making the mousse, the ingredients we need: whipping cream, corn starch. Take 1 tablespoon of corn flour, then add required amount of milk and cook until it becomes thick. Then corn starch is ready. Then powder sugar. In this video, I used hand blender for mixing the whipping cream. Instead of that, you can use whisk as well. Take a bowl and add whipping cream. Beat the cream using an electric beater until you get stiff peak. Whipping the cream easily get heated. To avoid that, take a bowl of ice cubes. On top of that, keep the whipping cream bowl and start beating. After few minutes, add the required amount of powder sugar, corn starch. Beat well. Once you get the stiff peak, stop it. Don't overbeat, then it will become butter. You can see the stiff peak formed. This is the correct consistency to off it. Now add the strawberries into blender along with the sugar. Make a strawberry puree. Now you can see the strawberry puree is ready. Now reserve little puree for the garnish purpose, and the rest of them we are going to add into the whipping cream. I am going to add the remaining puree to the whipping cream. Mix well. Now you can see the mousse and strawberry puree is ready. We are going to set in glass. Now we are going to prepare the mousse. First I am going to layer with strawberry puree. Then I am going to add the mousse. Add the whipping cream into piping bag. If you don't have piping bag, you can use plastic bag as well. Now I am going to add the whipping cream. Now the yummy and creamy mousse is ready. We are going to garnish with some fresh strawberries. And some pista. Now we have to freeze for 1 hour. Then our mousse is ready.
You can see the strawberry mousse is ready. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so you get notified every time we make a new video. Now, let's taste it. Now, let's see how the strawberry mousse tastes. It's really good. And tasty. And creamy.
it's very yummy and it's very soft and creamy. Like and share this video and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we make a new video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!